Check out this incredible feat in Europe. The Wave House team has revolutionized data center construction by utilizing 3D printing technology to create Europe's largest 3D printed building. Located in Heidelberg, Germany, this innovative structure spans an impressive 600 square meters. Designed by SSV and Mense Korte and constructed by Peri 3D Construction for developer KrausGruppe, the Wave House stands as a testament to the future of architecture and technology. Traditionally, data centers have been known for their dull and unexciting appearances due to security concerns limiting the presence of windows and large openings. However, with the growing trend of locating these centers closer to users in suburban areas, there arose a need to make them visually appealing. This is where the Wave House shines. The architects tackled this challenge by implementing a wave-like design for the building's walls, giving it its distinctive name. Such intricate designs were previously impossible with conventional construction methods, prompting the use of 3D printing technology for its flexibility and design. The construction process involved extruding a recyclable cement-like mixture layer by layer from a nozzle, creating exterior walls that stretch 54 meters long, 11 meters wide, and 9 meters high. This groundbreaking process took just 140 hours to complete. Following the printing, the finishing touches were added by a skilled team, including the installation of the roof, doors, lighting, wiring, and necessary equipment for a modern data center. Even the interior received a touch of automation with the use of a robot painter from Deutsche Amphibienwerk. One of the most remarkable aspects of this project is its environmental impact. The 3D printing construction process resulted in significantly lower CO2 emissions compared to traditional methods, aligning with sustainability goals. From design to commissioning, including the collaborative effort between robots and humans, the entire project was accomplished in just 6 months. The Wave House stands not only as a symbol of architectural innovation but also as a beacon for sustainable construction practices in the digital age.